Hi friends, my name is Rocky and today we're going to take a look how to use this Astro Title Pack for After Effects via Motion Gallery extension. This pack is very much useful for creating HUD elements and sci-fi title designs. You can just navigate to all of these designs through this extension and just apply them on the timeline on top of each other, and you can create an amazing result with these sci-fi elements. If you want to check the full promo of this video, I'll put a link in the description. You can check that from there. Here I'm going to show you how to use this template properly. Let's jump back to After Effects and let's see how to edit this template. Once you download this Astro Title Pack, you should get this zip file. Now at first you need to unzip this zip file. So if you are on Mac, just double click on it and it will be unzip this folder. And in Windows, you can just right click on it and there will be an option called it extract here, and that will extract in the same location. Right now, if you open up this folder, then you will find these folders over here. So first you need to install the extension. Right, so to install the extension, you need to open up this folder which is called install extension, and here you will find the extension, and you need to install this extension via ZXP installer. So if you don't have ZXP installer on your system, I have already provided that, so you can just open up in here, and there is two versions, one for Mac and one for Windows. So just double click to install it, and after installing the ZXP installer, you can open up that and you will find this interface over here. Now you can just go back to this Motion Gallery extension folder, and here just drag and drop in here. So I have already installed that. So after installing it successfully, we can open up After Effects and just go to here, Windows extension and Motion Gallery, and after that this extension will open in here. Okay, so then you just need to go over here, go back, and you need to install this install pack. But before that, open up this font section and copy and paste this font on your browser and download these fonts and install them as well. If you want to use the same fonts, okay, but if you want to use your own font, that's fine, you can skip this part. So after installing the fonts, open up this install pack and just drag and drop on top of this extension, and it will be installed automatically. Or you can just go to this or you can just click on these three dots over here and click on this install package, and then you can select the pack to install it. Now just a quick note, if you click on this package option over here, if you want to uninstall any pack, just right click on it and remove the pack, so you can uninstall the pack from here. Okay, now let's see how to use these packs over here. So double click the pack to open up that, and you will find these subcategories over here. So first create a blank composition. I'm going to create a 1920 1080p blank composition over here. Okay, now I'm just going to check some of these designs. So I'm going to apply a targets over here. So you can just hover over them to display the animation. Okay. There is some cool little animations over here you can use. So let's suppose I'm going to use this target 7. Double click on that and it will import in here. Okay. You can also increase or decrease the duration. So at the end, it will animate out. Now let's add a title. So I'm just going to open up this title design. So there is total 20 nice animations over here you can use. So let's suppose I'm going to use this title 12. So double click to apply. Now let's bring it closer and let's play the animation. See, nice. Now I can select this target 7 and scale it up, and maybe scale down the title. Nice. Now you can also check some of the other designs over here and add them as you need. So let's see how to change this text and colors, etc. So first I'm just going to open up this title design. So if any comms has text in it, it will be appeared in the timeline, so you can just edit them directly from here. So just double click on the text pre-comp and it will be open like that, and in here you can change the actual text layers, and you can also change the next one, or you can delete this one, go back to be updated. Same thing, open up the other text and you can change them. These text are small little elements on the side, so you can open up them and change, or if you don't want, you can hide them. That's all. For the colors, you can select this control layer, and here you should control the master position scale and this left and right position. Let's suppose you have some longer text over here. Just open up this text and type longer. Now I'm just gonna scale this down a bit and go back, and I'm gonna scale this up a bit. Okay, and you can adjust the other text as well. And again, select this layer. From here you can change the colors, whatever color you like. In the same way, you can open up this target, and in here select this control layer, and you can change this color, etc., etc. over here. All of these layers are visible in here, so if you want any layers to turn off, you can off them, or you can play around with these settings and fit it to your liking. So in here you will find some other categories like maps. Okay, let's apply some other designs. These are the maps over here. Okay, and let's apply this one. So nice little elements over here. You can use some line elements if you want to use them on title design or anything else. Loading screen. Okay, and some others like compass, radar, or audio waveform. So all of these elements can be used by combining. And one more important thing is video overlay. So let's talk about this. So let's apply this in the timeline, and if I play that, okay, so let's open up this video display 1 and change this video over here. For that, you need to open up this video composition, and here you find this demo image. You can delete this demo image and import your media over here. So I'm going to use this image, but you can use videos as well. And if I go back, everything should be updated. And for the text, it's the same as before. You can open and change from here. Now here's another quick tip. Let's suppose you have imported too many compositions, and already your project have loaded too many compositions in here. But you are not using most of the compositions here. So in that case, if you want to apply some of this design, it might take a bit time to load. So the best way to speed up the workflow is, if you are not using some of these compositions over here, you need to delete them, so the project can get lighter and the process will work much faster. For that, there is a script over here. So if you click on that, and here you will find a remove unused item. So you need to click on it a couple of times. Let's click on it, and as you can see, it's deleting the unused composition from here. Okay, so until it's give you an option called remove 0 unused item, that means all of these unused items have been deleted. Now your importing process will be much faster. Okay? So this is just a quick tip over here. So that's it for the video. These are the all elements. You can combine them and create your own trailer or title design. If you have any other questions, feel free to contact me. I will be happy to help.